you just finished eating.
Yummy!
But wait, your mouth needs cleaning too. Let's find out why. Food bits hide between your teeth. Sugar sneaks in underneath. Germs wake up and start to grow. That's how cavities begin, you know. Smelly breath and aching tooth. Here comes the not-so-happy truth. Skip the rinse, the germs will stay, eating your healthy teeth away.
Swish, swish, spit it out.
That's what rinsing is all about. After every meal you eat, rinse your mouth,
Keep it neat. Swish, swish, spit it out.
healthy mouth.
Give a shout.
Sugar pus germs equals acid attack. Slowly eating enamel back. Holes in teeth, ouch, that's pain. Rinse your mouth, don't let germs reign. Bad breath creeps up, phew, that smell. Gums get red and start to swell. Plaque builds up and coats your teeth, all from food left underneath.
Swish, swish, spit it out.
That's what rinsing is all about. After every meal you eat, rinse your mouth,
Keep it neat. Swish, swish, spit it out.
healthy mouth.
Give a shout.
Take some water, not too less. Close your lips, now here's the test. Swish it left and swish it right. Swish the front and swish with might. Feel the water swish around, bubbling with a swishy sound. 10 whole seconds, don't you stop. Now lean forward, spit and drop. Morning snack,
Rinse,
lunch is done,
rinse,
evening munch,
rinse,
everyone,
rinse.
chocolate rice or a mango sweet, biscuits, dosa, any treat. Every time food passes through, rinsing is what heroes do.
Swish, swish, spit it out.
That's what rinsing is all about. After every meal you eat, rinse your mouth.
Keep it neat. Swish, swish, spit it out.
Healthy mouth.
Give a shout.
Amazing job, superstar. Remember every time you eat, swish and spit to keep complete. Happy teeth, fresh breath today. Rinse your mouth.
Hip, hip, hooray.
Subscribe to our channel Rhyme Lush. Follow us on Facebook page Rhyme Lush. Thank you.